Time and walk question number 6 luôn. Oh, question number 6 là chuan A and B A and B A and B trong cột này. Oh, A and B together finish a piece of work in 30 days. Thì question number 6 solution. A plus B's 1 day walk. A là B trong cột này khăn là thổ chắc giống chú 1 by 30. So one question in they walk together for 20 days. Oh,นี่ขัดเชี่ยกันถอดจวนให้หน้าสองส่งหุ่นสมทุนถึงหุ่นขัดมันจะว่าquestion จวนนี่สมที่ชื่อมันถอดเดียวมันจะA plus B is 20 days walk. นี่สมนี่อีถอดเดียวจวน20 multiply ไหมอ่ะจวนนี่แหละเห็นกันเสร็จละ2 by 3 anh thuộc dấu đâu nhỉ chú nào dòng dòng hun thu mà chuyện nào hun nhìn dấu anh dấu tự lẽ mấy tí nào nhỉ chú anh tiếng nghe tí question kan thế là question chú and then A left phát đi ní sòng nhỉ chú anh thuộc bài nào hun thu mà chuyện nào hun thuộc dấu A bang cái đấy mày A bang à chú anh nào thuộc dấu gì đâu anh tiếng nghe tí question in after another 20 days B finish the remaining work đi ní sòng nhỉ rắn lẽ àนี่สมหินถอดหัวกันนี่สมหินดังอะไรเลยอ่ะ B เจ้าขาถกตัวนี่จู B ค่ะจวน B กันนาละบางขาถกเจ้าตัวเวกันนี่อันนี้จวน B ค่ะอามาเจ้าวินถกตาเสอตีระจังคันเอติลเหล่าคันเอ็งติกชูงินเงี้ยอามาเจ้าวินนาค่ะอาโซเทียที่อันจังกบจู30 days เนี่ย B เจ้าเนี่ยถกมันโซมีจูมังจวนตีงันที่โดนตันเหตุเฮียน remaining work ง่ายตานี่นั่นละบางฮี B เนี่ยถกง่ายตานี่remaining work 1 minus and total 2 by 3 to 1 by 3 นี่มันทุมาแทนมันกัดขาอัลละบางอันนี้hey he a question จวน B 20 days work ดี hey after another 20 days นี่สมนี้เราเละเมกจวน B finish the remaining work B คันนี่สมนี้ว่า remaining work ที่ถูกโซเวกัติจวนแต่เห็น now B is 20 days work. B ni som 2 na tho chu remaining work tho so vek chuan 1 by 3 ni 1 by 3 1 by 3 divide chuan 1 so vek chuan B ama chawan na tho min zo wangin B 1 day work kam mo ni B 1 day work ling zong chu time chuan B1 day work chok tu chen hei 21 ka chan tir don ta ni ni tari method mangin then this 1 day work is equal to 20 le ka ma pheng 20 ni chuan 1 by 20 don 1 by 3 into 1 by 20จวน B 1 day work กันจวน1 by 60 จะwork กันไอ้ฮี B 1 day work ที่ไหนจู่ๆ time ไอ้ convert เลยจวน B มันถ้าโถจักจงกันในทีจู่ๆอาโซนะอันนี้ค่ะin how many days B alone can finish the work therefore B alone can finish the work in 1 by 60 in song to 60 days ni som ruk chungin B chuan ama chen thok se atir rang khan ni som ruk chu mang dong tin ani chu chuan tuna question number 7 kan du tak kuna chuan question number 7 kan du teng ana question number 7 chuan Ella can complete a piece of work in 12 days, working 8 hours a day. Ni tindar ka riat kana thoka. Chu ni som pani chu ka thok khana thok zo thei dinan chu. Oh, time kha days le hours in eta. Chu wang chon hours kan cham tir. Ella completes the work in ni som hei chung dar ka riat ni chuan 8 into 12 mai oh 12 times 8 chu dar ka ra kan cham tirang ni tin dar ka riat ni chung ni som hei chung ni chuan oh chuan 96 hours dar ka som ko par ho lai chuan dar ka som ko par ka tho khan na thok zo ve ka ni chuan a work kan ni oh elias 1 hour work work done time taken to 96 hours in work done to 1 by 96 ni oh chuan chu ting bokin a ko sona kan du benga Alisa can complete the same piece of the work in 8 days working 10 hours a day oh da Alisa ve thung chuan ndiriat chungin a zo theini ma se dar kar som hang thung oh avai dar kar man za kan Alisa completes the work in 10 days. Oh, sorry, 8 days working 10 hours. Oh, 8 days. This read card, darker som. So, vine darker som read among the 92. 80 hours. Oh, need one. Therefore, Alisa's 1 day work, 1 hour work. Oh, Alisa's 1 hour walk to 1 by 18 maya so na question tuning iti if both Ella and Alisa work together working 8 hours a day Alisa le Ella 1 hour work an bel bom photang now an thok do na ti bangin Ella plus Alisa 1 hour walk to and 1 hour walk for Bebel 1 by 96 plus 1 by 80 chu LCM kan langa LCM chu 418 LCM lau kan tiam to kha 480 ni 96 in mun nga ni 96 mun nga chu ni pa 6 ba tha 96 apa divide chuan mun nga 5 plus 8 6 48 mun tani chuan an ni khat na tho chu 11 by 480 long tani 11 by 480 ani ta chuan question kan en le ang question chuan in how many days can they complete the work ani in ron sort ta thunga working 8 hours a day an pani khan ni tin ta karyat thok ta se eng ti khuna ge an sawang ti paper thar kan mang do ni chuan tuna khan 11 by 480 ka and 1 hours wa kan ya tai na convert anga that is time taken by Ella plus Alisa to finish the work. To 11 by 480 lingzong khan de me oh to 480 by 11 hours and mangtani oh darkar 480 by 11 hours and mangtani chuan a question chuan in how many days can they complete the work ati chuan working 8 hours a day working 80 hours a day oh ni tin darkar re thokta se tinani chu means 480 by 11 hours hi darkar re divide le chuan ani za ta chok ma ya oh now working 8 hours a day each one 480 by 11 divided by 8 days oh ni akan sampai turun bang no 18 divided by 8 hours ka days lam tang chuan 480 by 11 multiply thak chuan 11 into 1 by 8 chuan 18 ni hi divide thaya 860 ano tani oh 860 chuan 60 by 11 chu improper fraction ni proper fraction ak thak nga chu proper fraction ak thak chuan 11 nga songa panga 11 nga songa panga nia pangai bel le chuan sombo ko ta ninga le ni za oh ninga le da par ni za 5 by 11 days oh lai le ali sai chuan dar kar get ni tin thokta se ninga le dar kar mo za tan zo don tin ai chu oh ke me na complicate way da yak me thia ko so chuan chuan ta hian du le working out 8 hours a day Ella plus Alisa will finish the work equal to 5 by 11 oh ina chung question number 8 and look nga lang 80 poi mo oh question na chun Lauren and Zoe can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively Lauren li chuan na chu ni som ni chung zo thea zo ve thung chu ni som pa ni chu ni ti oh chuan Lawrence 1 day work ani khat na tho chak zong chu 1 by 30 ni ma ya chuan Zoe's 1 day work ko mi som pa ni chu nga za chuan na zong zong mi som pa ni thana man kat kani kat chu ni zo ti na ni chu chuan Lawrence started the work alone and then after 4 days Zoe zo tila a completion of the work ti oh Lawrence hi ama chawin nili athok do ni khat thok an to a chuan now tia Lauren ni li thok te rang o ingzang ngelo thok man kan rang Lawrence 4 days work amba in ni li lo thok trang ta a ni li thok chuan 1 by 30 into 4 ani chuan kan cancel anga 2 to 4 ania 2 in 15 Lauren in ama chau ni li alo thok khan na jong mun song panga thena mun ni alo zo ni chu ni chungin chuan alo thok zo lowa remaining work kha an pahnian thok du na ngai do ni ta hen ni li chu nga thok chuan na la bang chu exact nge kan zong ang remaining work chu 1 atangin 2 by 50 alo thok to za te pai mai tur ani chu 15 minus 2 chu 13 by 15 ani na jong mun song panga thena mun song pathum hi an na thok zo lo ti na ni chu Lauren ni 1 day okay 1 by 22 this whole pal boy ve hey hi kala ven so la 1 by 22 rai chuang chuan hey hi sim thale lokong 4 days work ani chuan 1 by 20 into 4 ani anga 4 in mun nga 1 by 5 ni mun nga thena mun khat athok zo ti na ni chu chuan remaining work po 1 atangin 1 by 5 ka pai chuan 4 by 5 la bang ni na mun nga thena mun li kha ala bang ri chu na mun li thena mun nga kha Lauren ni le zowi kha Lauren ni li thok to chuan zowi na ron pui che na la bang hi thok pui ve don ti na ni chu question ko kha kan chia chuan after 4 days, Joey joined her till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? Chú bằng chọn tại hiện Lauren plus Joey ăn chắc zong đi khát thổ chắc zong trăng đun khá cần gì thằng ai lệ 1 day work hay cái gì phát chọn hay ăn thổ rồi đi vậy chúng tôi mình work khá 1 by 20 plus 1 by 12 chuan LCM chu 60 23 0 plus 12 5 ani chu 8 by 60 simplify leng 8 by 60 chu 4 2 0 8 4 1 is 4 4 5 is 22 by 15 ni Zoe le Lauren trang kop na tho chak jang chu ni khat tho chak jang chu 2 by 15 na mun song panga thana mun hin do thei ni khat chu kan chin ro chu no chu ngen tho do ngan ti chuan remaining work na la bang kha chan chu Lauren ni li chu ngalo thok to now Lauren plus Zoe will finish the remaining work in remaining work 4 by 5 ania to divide to and pani chak zong 2 by 15 so one divide to multiply kan chan ti ranga 4 by 5 into 15 by 2 ania 5 in 3 2 in 2 chu wang chuan ni engza chu nge tho zo ni ruk chu ani an pa hi tang rol chuan remaining work khala bang zong to kan ni ruk chu ni nan zo ta ni chuan a question chuan how long did the work last na chu ding kha ni engza ngen tho ati lo rin ni isang ilo thoto nili an panin niru vain ni som tina therefore the work lasted for 4 plus 6 to 10 days ni som chugin na kha tho zo ani tina ni chu